Today let us draw a problem on isometric projection, cone placed over a cube. Please go through the following steps. Draw one horizontal reference line. Cube size is 50. So first draw a line for a length of 50 mm at an angle of 30 degree. Again length is 50, angle is 150. Next followed by length 50 and angle minus 150. And angle is minus 30. Now raise the height by 50 mm through all these four corners. Now we have raised the height by 50 mm through all the four corners of the base. Let us join these points. To make a cube. Let us make it dark by selecting the visible edges of the cube. The light line indicates the edges are hidden. Let us select the center point of the cube, upper surface of the cube. The cone dimension is 30 mm. The base diameter of the cone is 30. From center, you are supposed to take a length of 15 mm. Again 15. Angle is 30. Next length is 30. Angle is 150. And minus 150. And minus 30. Undo. So now we have formed the base of the cone by using 4-arc method. From this point, draw a line which connects to the center point of the opposite edges. Again from this corner to the center point of the opposite two edges. Let us zoom this portion to draw the cone. Go to arc by center point. With this as center and this point as radius, draw a arc. Draw one more arc and select the intersection point to construct the third arc. This is the one more intersection point. Draw the fourth arc. This represents the base of the cone. Now let us give a height. Height of the cone is 40 mm. Take a line for a length of 40 mm and angle is 90 degree. Through this point, draw tangential line to the cone surface. You should get the symbol of tangent arc. Now we have drawn tangents to the base circle of the cone. Again, let us make the visible edges as thick. The thick line indicates the visible portion of the cone. The thin line indicates the hidden portions. Unwanted lines are the hidden portion. You can either trim it off or retain it as very thin lines. Let us trim the This represents the axis of the cone. The height is 40 mm. Let us show the angle between the edges as 30 degree. Now let us select the entire solid and reduce it to the isometric scale. Here we have a scale option. Just beside of the move, we have scale option. Scale factor is 0.8164. 0.8164 is the scale factor for isometric projection. Now the entire solid is converted into isometric size. Okay, thank you.